Today's top news headlines. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh stated that the state government will sanction rupees 10 lakhs annually for maintenance of THANGJAM War complex. Manipur Legislative Assembly's Speaker THANGJAM said that inclusion of Meitei or Meitei in ST list will safeguard the indigenous community. And India records 556 fresh COVID cases along with 17 fatalities due to the infection in past 24 hours. Good evening, you're watching Poly TV Prime Time English News at 6:30. I'm LAKSMIBAI THANGJAM. Now the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated an open gym at THANGJAM War Memorial Complex, Kevaching Foothill today. The gyms are installed by the Chief Minister's Indigenous Martial Arts Academy with support from Planning Department, Government of Manipur. Wangjing Tentha MLA Baunam Brozen, DC Thobal Hantem Suvast, SP Thobal, Jogesh Chandra Haubizam attended the inauguration of an open gym. Speaking at the inauguration, Chief Minister N. Biren pledged that the state government will sanction rupees 10 lakhs each year for proper maintenance of the gym compound and the creation of a spectacular THANGJAM War Memorial Complex. He also expressed strong resentment against drug traffickers and stressed on the need for everyone to start working unitedly for the welfare and development of the state. Stating that the government is trying hard to bring some positive change, he explained the need to facilitate and show the way to those desiring to overcome drug addiction and said for this, the state is setting up drug rehabilitation centers and encouraging sports activities in the state. He also said that the government is setting up more open gyms at various districts, including at Churachandpur.
Manipur the lace tanga the labor of the Yumbu Manipur Yumbu in the country of Angano the Pai, Mekalaya the Manipur, Draka Kodana Karor, Amamakaimuki, Draka Kodana Mi Humpari, quite the Kaidi will become Libra, Kokta Dene, Sochan Purdini, Kavalu over the dog the pinging back and lever. The guy look at the Gangas in a way. The cookies are the Chikamata Yawin, one of the other. Mendy skin Kariwalige, Yum later, Yum Sari, Sunning Lion in a lion and leap a sharp tree the piri, sing, tree the piri, Kayin over here in a palm, in a palm of Tika to Biro, the Karikarino, Tauribe, Skim Mam, the Lota Virona. Saradi Redana, Sakana, Siva with the Dom like Kodi, Narun, Mangi, Mango, do Manipur, Mango, do a quick descent on Lady Hargadi. Akushuza Kale, Saka Paribakushu, and Saka Pariba going to get in here at the Ragana Sakarji, Hatti Hargadini.
The Settled Draft Demand Committee Manipur STDCM stormed at Manipur Legislative Assembly's Speaker THANGJAM's residence and submitted a memorandum as part of their ongoing protest demanding inclusion of Meitei or Meitei in Settled Draft list. Speaking on the subject, Speaker THANGJAM asserted that STDCM demand for inclusion of Meitei or Meitei in the ST list is a wise decision, and it is firmly believed that inclusion of Meitei or Meitei in the ST list will safeguard the indigenous Meitei or Meitei community. Therefore, he asked them to let him know if there is any assistance he can provide in any such protest in the future. He also assured that he will discuss the issue with the concerned government officials even though he is not involved in forming the state government.
Masina Kogi indigenous Manipuri Masi Kanmunga have a chip Tami, other than Masi Makatava, Atopa Kongan Nakomatam the show I personally live in the Pangway of a Matin like the Nigerian Bureau issued in Pangjage. Aduga, Mayangi Apamba, Wata Wali Mayam should be Madupunama. Aina Sarkari Manunda Yawana Tragasu, Sarka the Liberiba. Sarkar Chucha Liberiba, Honorable Chief Minister Amadia Topa, colleague Singa, Iwarisi, Yon Jagay, Mashum Makoi Gishu, a Chow support loan of Honda Jagay.
Travel Hut Manipur THANJAM demanded for a separate market for products grown only in hill region of Manipur. Speaking during the program for the formation of the Executive Committee of Travel Hut Manipur in Tarung Village Women Hall today, THANJAM President Ngatang Mi Hungyo stated that while there are travel huts in many regions of India, it is not present in northeastern India. As a result, Manipur is preparing for the Travel Hut Mela for the first time in January 2023, and making the crops from the hills available to the general public will aid in raising the income of the hill people. Additionally, Manipur government must also set up a permanent travel hut so that the general public can get products grown in nook and corner of Manipur regularly. Advisor Travel Hut Manipur THAAM BD Bering, Advisor THAAM MK Presho Simri, Advisor THAAM U Jonathan Tao all attended the session as president members.
Muruina equity within the aching the labor products mayam the yam lana Europangam the Jose mayam say Lupi with no farmers with no agriculture products, horticulture products, handicraft, handloom, woodcraft, and the balance yam labor. When is a putoga expose mapam maban exposed over expose PB with the business community, ching business community, Lupi with no Nupa with no unorganized sector business kragat over mayam zakui hard is the mela habitat. 2023 January thade koi yaridi government of Manipur ayawi bibiridi hafta kang sebungda koi se tribal hut expo 2023 100,000 lady.
Transport, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister Kashim Vasum inaugurated Transport Office of Tengnoupal District at District Administration Tengnoupal Office Complex today. The inauguration of District Transport Office was attended by DA Hills and HS Conservation Minister Letpao Haukip, Transport Secretary Michael Achwom, Dr. Nivedita Laren Lakpam, Tengnoupal DC, Ranjan Yumnam, district level officers and various CSOs leaders. Addressing at the event, Minister Letpao Haukip stated that because of the support of Chief Minister and concerned ministers, the District Transport Department Office is able to inaugurate today. Along with requesting the public to support and assist the employees of the department in order for them to carry out their duties more effectively, he also urged all district-level officers to get together once a month and have a discussion to improve interdepartmental relationship. Speaking at the event, Transport, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister Kasim Vashum emphasized that the presence of DTO will increase state revenue while also benefiting the general people, and Sanjib will lead the department.
Honorable Minister, the Sungam Internet, Target Study. Me, he had not Hanba officers in the labor and no I the Pibam the Hambagi, Bakalondo. Aduma, please a Prazadan City, now Media Cindy, Tunga, More City, the only gateway to South and Southeast Asianina, Mizo Manipuri, Prazaki, Tamkaima Puta Kakwa, Hyper AI, Kanosi, More Lahan. This is our army personal singer Sungangane, what to a ship, Ubaya, the blanket Mangapura, Pada Ani, Puahom, Hansto Haigumba, Azumba Potse. So the Naba, a department, DLO, district level officers, in Buena Amu, Noma, Aptama, the Tam, the Tamin, the Kanda. Cooperation, personal lane, the Kabak, Tominaba, a Pami.
Mana, one of his promise. Video Hangkok video. Ngasigi numit sida honorable chief minister yang ada maramde mana Tengnoupal si masih di Hangkok. Roy hana. Kailan lagi taramok dito rapi suramli. Ako ni video office hang masih ako yung support amalir ka hang mani ano naman ako may na so pratasing na so cooperation bureau aja. Yan naman si aja.
Now let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Come witness the most extravagant cultural diversities of 34 tribes in one platform. Savor the local indigenous cuisines and local brew. Get a glimpse of the endangered Sangai there.
The journey begins with long, peaceful uphill treks along the bountiful panoramic view. Zuko Valley is home to unique flora and fauna, flaunting beauty with scenic splendor. the mystical lake called the Loktak Lake, largest freshwater lake in the northeast. With the only floating national park in the world, the gods share the enchanting dreams with us, and we can see their overwhelming creation where we bear witness to the skies kissing the surface. She will hold you in your plight. She will shine on you the light. Her tranquility will bring forth the best in you. With every touch, with every breath, with every sight, remarkable sight to behold, this land is a cradle for celebrating vibrance in diversity. Manipur is a land where many remarkable battles were fought. Stories of immense courage and sacrifice are reflected by the memorials. THANGJAM War Memorial is one such sacred resting place for warriors who fought in the Anglo-Manipuri battle. The men and women have given everything to this land, and in return, she has blessed her people with abundance and divinity. Living among the raging hills and valleys are the alluring people, celebrating life each day, uniting all her communities. I am beauty, I am love, I am the land of divine desire. I am Manipur, the jewel of India.
Welcome after the break. The Menglong Battalion under the aegis of 22 Sector IZAR East initiated a project in Dikuiram village in Tamai subdivision under the Menglong district with an aim to provide sports material and items to boost sports culture in the area. The sports items were distributed at this time, specially considering its utilization by the teams in the upcoming winter sports tournament to be held from 21st of this month. Under AR Civic Action Program, football studs and accessories, volleyballs and accessories, basketballs, carom boards, etc. have been provisioned to the teams of the village. The Secretary, Village Authorities, the Sports and Youth Club expressed their gratitude to the unit for providing them with these sports essentials while at the same time ensuring safety and security in the region. In an effort to boost connectivity with the northeastern region, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the first greenfield airport in Arunachal Pradesh, the Donyi Polo Airport, 25 km away from Itanagar today. He also inaugurated the month-long Kashi Tamil Sangamam at the amphitheatre ground of the Banaras Hindu University in Banarasi. The program is being organized by the Ministry of Education in collaboration with other ministers like Culture, Textiles, ministries like Culture, Textiles, Railways, Tourism, Food Processing, Information and Broadcasting, and the Uttar Pradesh government. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister said that the Kashi-Tamil confluence is as holy as Ganga-Yamuna Sangam. He expressed delight upon the gathering being held in the most ancient living city in the world. Speaking on the importance of Sangams in the country, be it the confluence of rivers, ideology, science or knowledge, PM Modi said that every confluence of culture and traditions is celebrated and revered in India. Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Pralhad Joshi said that the winter session of Parliament will be held from December 7 to December 29 this year. The upcoming winter session will have a total of 17 working days, he said. Notably, this will be the first session during which Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, will officiate proceedings in the upper house. The session will start at a time when Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh will still be gripped with election fever. A man in West Khasi Hills has been convicted and sentenced to 25 years of rigorous imprisonment for sexually assaulting a 6-year-old. The convict has been identified as Kalding Thongni and was convicted by the Court of the Special Judge Pokso, West Khasi Hills. He committed the crime in 2014, after which a case against Thongni was registered at the Noingstoin police station. Apart from the imprisonment, he has been fined Rs 50,000. As per the report, if he fails to pay the fine amount, he will have to undergo another 6 months of simple imprisonment. India recorded a total of 556 fresh COVID cases along with 17 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,46,68,523. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 791 have been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,30,570. Out of the 17 fatalities, 15 were recorded from Kerala and 1 each from Maharashtra and Rajasthan. The total active cases has declined to 6,782 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.79% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 219.85 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines again. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh stated that the state government will sanction Rs 10 lakhs annually for maintenance of Khongzom War Complex. Manipur Legislative Assembly's Speaker T.H. Chakrabarti said that inclusion of Meitei or Meitei in ST list will safeguard the indigenous community. And India records 556 fresh COVID cases along with 17 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.